Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. Use the hood prop rod to support the hood. The air filter is located here. Pull the air hose back to disengage it with the filter housing. Disengage the fasteners. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing. Re-engage the fasteners. Reinstall the hose. Remove the hood prop rod and close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.